Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of, I don't know what we call this room, I guess like the room with a crap ton of clothes. So before we get into this quick video, I want to go ahead and announce the winner of the giveaway for the Apple AirPods. I'll put her over here. And I will say, I read some crazy ways that you guys make y'all peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Somebody put mayonnaise on their peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and also like sharp cheddar cheese. So apparently that is a thing. So if you want to look at that video, I'll link it in the description below so you can kind of read some of those comments and maybe you'll find your peanut butter and jelly twin. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for some of the noise you might hear in this video. Miss Jada Baby has a toy, a new toy, and she is just going to work on it. So I know like this is a lot of clothes, but let me give you guys a backstory before you start judging me, okay? So I separated from the Air Force in June 2017, and then Andrew and I, my husband, moved to Reno in like January or February 2018. And so in 2018, January, I started school also in San Francisco. And while in San Francisco, I had rented a room and, you know, I had my own clothes there, and basically everything from my old apartment and stuff, we just put it in this room. And fast forward, when I moved into Domino, I had my own clothes there, and this room just kind of just grew with clothes. And during that time, let's see, when we moved here, at the time, I was weighing like 178 pounds, and currently I'm 136 pounds. So I have clothes in here from like size 14 to size 5, 6 that I need to get rid of. So what I've been doing is basically going through all my stuff. I have a pile of stuff that I'm keeping. I have a pile of stuff that I want to sell and also donate. I have my uniforms that I haven't, I have my uniforms and they're no good because the Air Force, I think they just turned over a new uniform. So I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with those. But yeah, I just have so much stuff, and that is what I will be working on until I get Domino back. I really want this room to like obviously be clean. I want this place to be my workshop and also a place for me to edit. And you know, I think I can make that happen by sometime next week. So this is what I will be working on. And my shoes, let me tell you, I am so sad to part with my heels, but a little backstory. While I was in the Air Force, I had 6 surgeries and 3 were on my feet. So I had 1 on my left foot and 2 on my right foot. So me and heels, we do not get along anymore. I used to be able to run, jump, hop, skip, everything in my heels, and now I don't even know if I can walk like 100 yards straight up in my heels. So I will be selling those as well, and also donating some too. Ranges from size like 8 to 9. But yeah, this is gonna be, you know, life for a good week and a half. I need to get all of this like just situated and nice, because I think it'll just give me a little bit more peace too, you know, to just be able to come in this room and it just be like open and bright and no clothes. So there's this app called Depop, and I'm very new to it and I'm just like creating my profile, so don't even try and look for me because I haven't put nothing up there yet. But that's where I'm going to advertise and like sell all of my clothes and shoes. I think you can sell shoes on there. I'll have to look. Like I told you, I'm still very new to that app. I'm gonna list my clothes and shoes on that Depop page, so stay tuned for that. And if you're on Instagram, you can follow my new page is shop_whereisBrittany, or at shop_whereisBrittany. I'll also link it or put it right here just in case I'm saying it wrong. What I'm gonna do is, before I put anything on the Depop page, I'm gonna take a picture and put it on my Instagram page first and then upload it to the Depop page. And I think that'll be how I list Jada girl. Stop. Sorry. I think that's how I list, you know, the clothes and shoes that I'm going to offer up for sale. But yeah, that's really pretty much it. So my friends, I think this is where I'm gonna let you guys go. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update to let you guys see where is Brittany and what I have going on at the moment. Yeah, so congratulations again to the winner, and I'll catch you guys next week. Hopefully this room will be a lot neater or a little bit more organized. I mean, it is a lot organized from where it was prior, but hopefully you'll be able to see a big difference in this room, and possibly some clothes will be listed on the Depop page. You saying, hey Jada, you're not even really in the camera, sis. All right, so I love you all so much. Thank you for the support, and I will catch you all later. Bye.